To clean the ID Maker Edge printer, first, remove the rear card feed hopper. Second, remove the printer ribbon. Close the lid of the printer and wait for the screen to turn to its normal menu. Press the menu button, and the first option should be Clean Rollers. Click Next as the printer prompts you to remove the cards. Click Next as the printer prompts you to remove the film. Click Next when the printer asks if you're ready to clean. Then, unpack the cleaning card and insert the narrow end into the printer. After the printer has ejected the card, flip the card over and select Clean again, and feed the narrow end back into the printer. After the cleaning card has been ejected, it can be discarded. Next, lift open the lid to the printer and find the thermal printer cleaning pin that is included in your cleaning kit. Take the pin and slowly move it from left to right of the printhead. Be very careful when cleaning the printhead, as if you scratch the printhead, it will cause a white line to print down the card, and this can only be corrected by sending your printer in for repair. Repeat this 4 to 5 times. After this is completed, you can put the ribbon back into the printer and close the lid. You can also add the rear card hopper back to the printer. At this point, the printer has been successfully cleaned and you should be able to continue printing.